All right, now that we got some food in our belly, headed to the room. And I think I know where we're going this time, because you know, if you saw the last MSC video, them shots got the best of us and we ended up walking around the whole Maravilla trying to find the room. But anyways, yeah, so we headed the right way, getting ready to the room, getting ready to put some of these bags down, and then we're getting ready for the room tour. Made it to the room. We are in stateroom 11188. And all the bags are here. Alright, you guys, we have an interior Fantastica stateroom. First thing you notice here, since there's 4 of us, we got bunk beds. So there's PJ and his bunk bed, and there is Cachet over in hers. Hello. And then underneath is your main bed. On your bed, they do also give you beach towels. So just in case you're at a day of port or anything like that, you can take these beach towels out and even exchange them and turn them in once you get back on board. On either side of this bed, there is a lamp there, along with a nightstand and room for storage there. Same on the other side. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You gonna tell everybody hi?
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Now these main beds, you can't split them into 2 twins, but we do have it as 1 king for me and D. Over to your right is your vanity area. Decent sized TV. It does also swivel out. They give you ice chest, 2 glasses for water, your remote. And if you've seen Parkers on the Go, you know they had some issues on the seaside with there not being a remote. They could not find a remote to save their lives. But we do have a remote. That is our stateroom attendant, who we have not met yet. There's your telephone. Then they also still give you a daily program. Now this is available on the MSC For Me app, but if you like the old school way, they do give you that as well. Pencil and pad, and there's some more information just in case you want to learn about different internet packages and things like that. Decent sized mirror. Really like this here. Underneath the mirror, they do give you a stool and a trash can. The outlet situation looks like we have 2 American outlets and 2 USB ports, along with 2 European outlets. And of course, this turns on the light here at the vanity. Now if we do a 180 this way, we've got an even bigger mirror, which I like there, just in case you want to check yourself, make sure you look right, especially on elegant night. Here is the closet. We've got a few shelves there, your safe, there's some drawers. The drawer space situation, I don't know how we're gonna handle that with there being 4 of us in here, and this being a 7-day selling as well. But they do also provide you some more drawers over here by the vanity. Now on the other side of the closet is where you can put your hangers. They got some storage up there at the top if you want to put your suitcases there, and then there's suitcase. And then there's some little nooks down there if you brought some shoes with you. Forgot to show you this chair, but there is the room does come with a chair. Now next to these drawers is the mini bar, and so this is one of the perks of you booking the Fantastica. Now we didn't have this in our Bella stateroom on the Maravilla, but you can see they give you a few liquors, some beers, there's some juice. We got some milk for PJ in there, which surprisingly they let us on with that. Usually with traveling MSC, they don't let you bring any drinks. Over by the door, you do have some hooks here for you, just in case you want to hang some things. And then also you have, the map of the ship, and it also gives you, your exit plan and how to get to your muster station. Here's where you put your key card so that the electricity can work. Only your MSC card will control the room, not a credit card, not another room key, nothing. Only your MSC ship card. And then here, if you want your room made up or cleaned, you'll press this button for do not disturb. There it is. Then also, if you want them to make up your room, you push that, and it does light out outside to let the stateroom attendant know what you want. Next to the bathroom, you do have your thermostat, and of course we want to make sure that baby is all the way down. And then you have your light to the restroom. Alright, now here's the bathroom. As soon as you walk in, of course you got your towel, you drop your feet when you got the shower. Oh snap! We got washcloths, y'all. This is the first time I've ever seen washcloths that they give you and without having to ask for it on MSC. If you look at everybody else's video, you'll see that they say they don't have washcloths. You always got to ask for one or bring your own. But this is a huge plus. Excited about that. Because I was getting ready to ask the room attendant for some washcloths. So that's already taken care of. So we got a couple shelves here. Areas for your toothbrush. Looks like you got a socket for your shaver, soap dispenser, and your sink here. And looks like we got a mirror that pulls out. So ladies, if you're doing your makeup, fellas, you want a closer look when you're getting that shave, they do have that available for you. Big towel rack here. Here is the white throne. And then we have your shower. So they do give you a clothesline there. Adjustable shower head that you can raise up and down.
My shower.
This is your shower?
Yeah.
Alright, come on, get in the shower then. In the shower. Plenty of room for PJ. You like it?
Yeah.
Alright. Then ladies, they also give you a foot bar to shave your legs, a little handle just in case a boat gets a little rocky, you need to hold on to something. And then they also do give you body wash and shampoo. Just below the sink, there is room for, looks like they have a waste basket here and any other storage supplies that you may need to put under there. There's your toilet paper. They do give you an extra roll of toilet paper, which you'll probably need. And then you do have a toilet brush.
Yeah.
You like your bed?
Yeah.
Yeah? You like sleeping up high like that?
Yeah.
Alright, you can't fall down now. Don't fall, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Ooh.
Alright. Now traveling with 4 people, this is kind of a tight squeeze. We did add cachet later on after we had already booked the interior. MSC does allow you to put in bids for upgrades. So if you're familiar with Royal Caribbean's roll-up program, it's the very same process. We put in a bid for an upgrade. Unfortunately, they let us know this morning that we didn't get it. So we're gonna try to tough it out as best as we can in this tight space, and we don't have another choice but to make it work. And that will conclude the stateroom cabin for cabin number 11188. Hope this was able to help you guys out. Hopefully we answered some questions for you. If there's anything that we did not answer for you, feel free to drop in the comment section below and we'll do our best to answer that for you. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And until next time, we'll see you later.